Keegan here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play Hunger Games on my Pocket Edition. Yes, right, Pocket Edition. Okay, so first off, what you're gonna need the computer version. Yeah. Okay, so once you do that, you hit pause. Yeah. And then right here, you type in your IGN for the PC version. And once you've done that, just hit done. Back. Play. Edit. Okay. Edit. External. And then for address, you want to put in this. Click on the box. Delete it all. Basically, what you want to type in is, adjust this camera. Okay, so basically what you want to do is type in SG dot LBSG dot com. Done. Then you name it Hunger Games. Okay, so basically you're done. That's it. Oh wait, remember that. It has to be .net, not .com. So basically, if you want to delete it, just edit box. External? No, if you put .com, just type in sg.lbsg.net. Net. So basically, this is what you should have typed in. Okay, so just hit done. Just name it blah, whatever you want. And then basically what you want to do is play, and then it loads. Okay, so basically, now what you want to do is type in dash register. Then once you typed in register, hit OK. And then you have to type in your email, but I won't show you guys that. Okay, once you typed in your thing, type in the password for your login for your computer. Then a little message says, hey, you are now logged in. You just hit back, and then, oh my god, do it. Okay, come on. Okay. Now what you want to do is just like any other Hunger Games, just walk up to the game and join it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. And yeah, goodbye everybody.